thing got up there? An earwig. Ew. What's up, peeps? We've had an influx of motorcycle deaths in Chicago, Illinois, west suburban, south suburban area. So let's talk some motorcycle safety. What we need to do as bikers out here, we have to stay cognizant, guys, because simply put, these people don't see us. You know, by these people I mean these cars out here don't see us. Intersections, a lot of these accidents and deaths that have happened in the last month or two have been heavily related to intersection accidents, and speed has a big factor in that. Guys, while we out here on the streets, on the public roads, you know, city environments and stuff, we gotta control our speed. It's cool being able to, you know, get up on the gas and go fast from time to time, but it's not worth it. You know, we're never gonna win. We're never gonna match up with a 2,000-pound vehicle, no matter how much gear we got on. And we should definitely wear our gear. That gives us a fighting chance in the event of an accident. Although I'm not wearing my gear or not wearing my jacket, and not today. It's about 105 degrees with the heat index out here. No excuse though, no excuse whatsoever. But guys, man, we're losing a lot of bikers. A lot of bikers are doing stupid, ignorant things that's giving us a bad name. You know, as a whole, like I say, I get the you know, the urge to go fast. I definitely understand that. It's part of what riding a motorcycle is about to some degree, especially a sport bike or a super sport. Fast is that's one of the best parts about it. But we have to be cognizant of the limitations that the street provides for us. You know, we can't continue to put ourselves at risk, continue to put the public at risk. You know, can you imagine a family of 2, 3, 4 just in their car, and some guy comes up 100, 80 miles plus out of nowhere and smashes into the back of them or T-bones them or something like that because they couldn't tell the distance that you were that you were coming down the road. So yeah, it's been a lot of deaths, man, and it's pretty sad to see us going out like that. We have to do better as a community. Be safe. If you want to get out there and act a fool, there is a time and a place for it. You know, we can go out early morning, late night on the expressway. Traffic has died down a lot. You can go out there and show your ass a little bit, but it's no point of doing that stuff in city roads and acting crazy. Yeah, it's really ridiculous. But what can we do to stay safe? We can speed. We can monitor our speed for sure, control that, and not do double digits over the speeding limit, and in some cases triple digits over the speeding limit. We can always watch out for intersections. Keep your eyes constantly moving. Even even when you get to stops in traffic, a lot of us like to just sit behind the middle car, but a lot of these drivers are distracted out here. So the best practice, in my opinion, is keeping your bike in gear, ready to go, and getting to the left or the right side of the lane. So you can always have an escape route. Other than that, you know, sitting back there, you're sitting ducking, somebody come up behind you going 30, 45 miles per hour, and you know, you're looking at back injuries and neck injuries and stuff like that. It's just kind of not worth it, you know. Intersections though, intersections are extremely fatal for us. I think statistically that's the highest percentage of motorcycle accidents, and maybe the highest fatality rate as well, if I'm not mistaken. Intersections like this guy, watch him, try to make eye contact, watch the wheels, maintain your speed, do whatever you got to do to make sure that you're comfortable that car's not gonna turn out in front of you, and get through that intersection safely. Yeah, it's been really crazy, but I just thought I'll make a quick video about that, because I'm really tired and disturbed about hearing all of the stories of fatalities involving bikers. You know, unfortunately 9 times out of 10 it is our fault as bikers. You know, bad decisions, playing dumb games, and we win even dumber prizes. But in those other few percentages, it's not our fault. You know, it's something that's out of our control, and the only thing we can do to try to combat a situation like that is just remain cognizant. You know, whether that's controlling our speed, you know, whether that's getting an escape route, like how I get behind this car. If you're sitting in traffic, you can get to the far right side of the lane, far left side of the lane. That way you're able to see if a car is coming up behind you and they're not, it doesn't look like they're stopping. You can just kind of squeeze out of one of those intersections, so you could be out of harm's way. They can run into the back of the protected car, or bus in this case, or whatever it is, and you can get out of there. You know, so yeah, we just have to continue to do that, guys, and keep ourselves safe, because it is getting hectic out here for us. A lot of us are going, and it's unfortunate. Seems like a lot of it can be avoided, and you know, us guys who are doing crazy speeds and stunts and shit like that on residential areas, you know, hey, there's a place for it, a time and a place for it. You know, if you're living in an area where people are calling the cops and complaining on your shit like that, hey man, just go somewhere else and do it. Don't try not to bring that heat on you. As a biker,